Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the midpoint of the vignette effect in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here in the Lightroom app, it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we select a picture and after it loads, from the bottom bar, we have to select Effects. We tap on Effects. Then, after setting the vignette, either to the left or to the right, we can edit the midpoint. If we slide the midpoint to the left, then the vignette effect is going to come closer to the middle of the image, the center of the image. But if we move it to the right, then the vignette effect is going to go farther away from the midpoint. This way we can create a focus to the image, or just a slight variation, a slight modification. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.